Tomato pie is filled with ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, green onions, and a creamy cheese topping. It is then baked until golden brown and then served as a savory pie. Let's make it. Slice your tomatoes a 1/4 inch thick and then spread on a paper towel. Sprinkle the tomatoes with salt to sweat out the extra liquid. Set them out for 30 minutes and then pat them dry. Bake a deep dish pie crust at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Remove from the oven. Add the sliced tomatoes, overlapping them to fit in the pie shell. Add a layer of basil and a layer of green onions. In a mixing bowl, mix mayonnaise, mozzarella, and cheddar cheese. Spread the cheese mixture over the top of the pie. This is completely optional, but I like to add 5 slices of tomatoes on top for a pretty presentation. If you don't want to do this, you can skip this step. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. It is best to rest your pie for 20 to 30 minutes before serving. This allows the pie to set. You can serve it warm or at room temperature. Now, isn't this beautiful? You know you want a bite. Follow A Fork's Tale for recipes and cooking tips, and visit aforkstale.com for full recipes.